Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah. In a land where sugar rivers gleam, 5 ducks waddle lost in dream. With candy trees that twist and twirl, they quack with joy as colors swirl. Their feathers shine like caramel bright, they dance on paths of pure delight. Licorice vines hang low and sweet as gumdrop pebbles line their feet. One duckling pauses by a fudge fountain, where chocolate cascades from the mountaintop's bounty. He splashes in with a jubilant cheer, while marshmallow clouds drift soft and near. Oh, taste the rainbows, one calls aloud, as cotton candy drifts like a playful cloud. Together they laugh under skies of mint green, in this wondrous world where all is serene. But whispers creep through the jellybean grass. What if this sweetness were destined to pass? The oldest duck frowns at the fleeting delight. Candy can vanish, it won't last the night. Yet optimism dances in their brighter hearts, for every end knows new starts impart. So they feast on dreams neath the lollipop sun, believing each moment is meant for fun. And as twilight wraps its gentle embrace, the 5 ducks gather in their cozy space, hand in wing beneath the starlit dome. In Candyland's warmth they found their home. So let us cherish our moments so sweet, like 5 little ducks on a sugary street. For life may be fleeting like candy's delight, yet love fills our hearts with radiant light. Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.